Sun's just coming up. Ooh. It got me. And there's a little bit of frost on the ground here and there. But all in all, for the middle of May, it's not too bad. Had a tree down. Luckily somebody's cut it. I didn't bring my chainsaw, so I'm glad somebody else cut that down. Yeah, g'day. Out at the creek today. And it's been a while. Yes, I haven't been out for a good while. No, a bit slack. Enjoyed the bed too much these days. But anyway, I come out and gonna give it a shot. I tossed up which way to go, which creek to go to. I didn't know. It's always a hard decision, isn't it? But anyway, whatever decision you make, no matter how long it takes you to make it, may not be the right decision. So it doesn't really matter. So anyway, I'll give it a go and see how the luck is. It's a little bit nippy this morning. There was a little bit of a frost on the way down and a few, places, a few hidden valleys there, a bit of frost, but all up really middle of May. It's not too bad at the moment, but it's probably going to get a lot colder. We've had a lot of rain. Anyway, muck about, get into it, and we'll see how we go, and I'll get back to you, okay? First pan, and I got one speck right there, but up here there's just, I don't know, it's got to be, and my eyes ain't that good, but there's got to be 50 tiny little micro dots or more. Look at that, tiny little ones. They are small. It's just one speck right there, that's all. And there's probably some little micros around it as well. But anyway, that's the first pan, so that's something anyway. I'll keep going. There's another piece. That little piece is a little bit better. And up here, a whole bunch of little stuff. Look at them. Tiny little things in amongst the little bit of black sand that's there. Amazing. But there's just that one piece. And I'll keep going. Yeah, a bit of gold there. A little bit of gold. I don't know if it's in that white pipe clay. I don't know. A lot of little stuff. micro stuff. You would think so. You'd think so, because it's right down the bottom. Down really deep. And I hit the white pipe clay. And you would think that it would be holding gold, because it's as sticky as anything. It's hard to break it up. Very hard to break it up. Anyway, I'll keep going. Look at this pipe clay. Look at pipe clay. Yeah, it'll break it all up, isn't it? It's all white. Let's see if it's got any gold in it. Just break it all up. Ah, there's a couple of nice pieces there. Yeah, a couple of bits. So you can see them. Very good. Very good. I'll keep going. Look at that stuff. Look at how sticky it is. Yeah. Unbelievable. Right on the bottom. Down in a deep, deep crevice. And you'd think that it'd be holding gold, wouldn't you? Well, it might be, but I'm still not getting a lot. Not getting much out of it. Well, I'll keep going. You see them? Yeah, that'll be better. I'll be getting those all the time. Be good. Anyway, just have to keep going. I'm sort of down at the bottom in a little crevice. It's a long way down to even get my yabby pump. So it makes it a bit hard. But anyway, I'll keep going. Yeah, it's hard to know just whether the gold's in that white pipe clay, because I'm in sort of a crevice and it's on the bottom, and I'm digging it out with the crowbar. I tried to break some up individually and just see and pan it out, but it didn't seem to have anything in it. So I don't know, but I'm getting a bit out of the bottom there, so I'll just keep going with it. But I'd say, as you can see, it ends up in the pan like white. The water's all milky. There's a bunch of little fellas in there. Little ones. The size of them. A lot of it. Yeah. Well, that's a nice piece. That's a nice piece there. Yeah. And a few littlies. There's a nice bit. Yeah. Very good. Like to get a lot more like that. Yes, sirree. I'll keep going. That was cold. I should have had the camera on for that one. I was coming across from the other side and I slipped, and I had the pan in the left hand with those little pieces in it. I wasn't going to lose them. And I had the snuffer bottle in my right hand, and I fell in backwards and the cold water went straight down my neck, and I spat my teeth out. And of course, if you could see the current running here, I thought, oh no, I've lost my teeth. But I looked down and they were just floating under the water. Oh man, I thought, oh, grabbed them, put them back in. I should have filmed it. I didn't have the camera going. Rather embarrassing, but anyway, you know what happened now. That water's damn cold. It's not as cold as Tasmania though, but it's still pretty cold. I still got a beanie on, and it's like lunchtime. Okay, that's it for me for the day. I don't think I got a whole lot of gold. I had to work hard for it. But it was a toss-up which creek to go to, so just happened that I come to this one, my secret creek. Secret creek. Anyway, I'll just do a snuffer dump and I'll show you what I got, okay? Oh, well, there's a little bit of a smile in the pan there. A little smile. Still a bit buried under the black sand there, but yeah, I don't know if it's worth weighing. There won't be that much there, I don't think. Maybe 0.18 or something like that. Not much, that's a guess anyway. Alright, I'll think about weighing it. If I do, I'll put the weight on this vid. If not, well, you've seen what I got. Not a whole lot. But anyway, it was a good fun day. Sunny day. Yeah, it was a sunny day, but stayed cold enough to keep the beanie on all day. And the water was cold, I tell you. Pretty cold, but not as cold as that water down Tasmania. You can keep that. Anyway, I'm glad you could come along for the ride anyway, and if you think about it, please give it a thumbs up and share, subscribe if you want it. It's free. Okay, and hopefully I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers. Bye. Okay, tear that out and weigh it up. What did I say out the creek? 0.18 I thought. Well, I'll be dogged. I'd have never dreamed that. 0.42. Might be a little bit of black sand in there, but even if it was 0.3, and I'm sure it's a bit more than that, because I just ran the magnet over it, but obviously that's not magnetic. And yeah, 0.42, that's a shock. I said like 0.18, I thought. Man, did I underestimate? See, I'm no good at guessing. I'm happy. Very good. Okay. Catch you next time. Cheers. Bye.